Oh, God. So, what's up, guys? Top of the morning. So, it has been about a week since I've had the Forester wrapped or dipped with Autoflex, and this is actually going to be the reveal video. Oh my God, sorry, I woke up from a nap. That's all I do is sleep. But yeah, so like I said, it didn't come out perfect as we wanted because I didn't buy enough material. That was on my end, and it was also the painter's first time spraying, which he did awesome with what he had. So without further ado, here is the car. Well, guys, here she is. She's all done. She's blue. Like I said, overall I'm very happy with it. It's the first time installing it. The process is pretty good. We didn't go good on the paint. We needed more material. As you can see on the back, there was some peeling. It's because of the masking. Basically, if we removed the black bumper piece, it would have been a lot cleaner. Like I said, one thing I love about this is that it's peelable if you don't like it. You know, it's not permanent like paint. If I plan on painting a couple things black as well, like the rear centerpiece, and possibly around the that rubber bumper part. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed the process. It was definitely a cool learning process, and hopefully these tips help you guys out if you're looking to install something like this on the car. Thanks, guys.